Okay, so now I really want to put some colors inside my shapes, and I want them to look a little bit like these. I'm going to go back to Illustrator and let's do some colors. So I'm going to click close, and a few things we need to see here. Here is the color palette. Here is this toolbar called swatches. And then another thing you need to see is these two things right here. This one is the fill. The inside of a shape is its fill. This one is called the stroke. That one is the outside of the shape. So for these shapes, for example, on Hattie Stewart's, she does not have a stroke. She does not have an outline. She just has an inside color. So I'm going to choose a color like hers. For the inside, I click the fill. It's white right now, and I'm just going to find a like nice blue color. Like that. Looks pretty good. I'm going to go to the stroke, click on this, and I don't want one. So I'm just going to click on this none option. There's another one right here that you can use. So either one, I click there and it will get rid of the stroke. If I click off of it, you'll see. There we go. That's really cool. This color is also over here. Before I do anything else, what I want to do is to save this color. So I'm going to click this folder option, and it's going to give me a new folder. I'm going to call this one Hattie Stewart. Good. And now it saved my color. So now if I click on another one and I want to use the same color, I can just choose it right here. That's great. This one, I don't want it to have an outline again, so I click none. Now I have two in that same color. Okay, something I can do, I believe, if I choose this color, I can go to color guide. I can click the down arrow and it will give me some other nice colors that I can use. For example, this one is really cool. I like all 5 of these colors. So let's change the color of this one. For this one, I'm gonna choose one of these colors that it suggested to me. I have my fill is on top, so I know when I change my color, it will be the inside. And I click this, and it changes, and I like that. What I want to do is save it. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna drag it down into my new color group, and that's here. And the last thing I want to do is get rid of the stroke, get rid of the line. So I click the black stroke option and I get rid of the line. So I like that. And you can see it still has some black inside of it. Let's see. I'm just going to delete these. I'm going to click on this white selector and just delete. White selector, delete. Oops. Make sure you get the right one. You can also move them. This one has some internal little thingies. There we go. You see those? There we go. Delete, delete, delete. Okay. That's nice. Next ones. I'm going to click this shape. I'm going to go back to my color guide. Oops. I click on the blue again, and then I go to color guide. And I'm going to make this one this pink color. It's nice. Okay, so what it did was, since I had my stroke selected, it colored my stroke. I can just switch those by clicking this 2 arrows right here. Boom. That's pretty nice. And I want to save this color too. So I just take it and I drag it down into my color right there. Okay, and this last one, I click this. Something I think is going to happen to this one because of these 2 lines. Let's see if this happens. Let's choose this purple color. changes the line because I have the line selected. I want to switch them, and I do. Oh, it's looking pretty good. It's great, actually. It's really cool. Okay, now we have some great colors. These are awesome, you guys. Before I do anything else, I'm going to hold Command and push S to save. And make sure I know what it's called and where am I putting it. Click Save. And okay.